Hopefully you guys are enjoying that view. We got some melons, watermelon and pineapple here. Enjoying the river. I wish there was a spot like right next to this where I can actually like camp, because this would be great. I go to sleep to storms and waves and stuff at night. I put it on YouTube, so to hear it live and be sitting right here would be dope. I decided that I needed to just chill today, so today is going to be pretty relaxing. We're going to do just stuff like this today, not too intense. Oh, good pineapple. Yeah, just relax, man. Some of y'all might know how I was traveling last year and I was going to do this full time, but I ran into some things that made me have to go home and kind of clear my mental. Well, that's what I was supposed to do, but where I went, where home is it's a lot. It's a lot. Peace is needed. Peace is needed there. A lot of violence, a lot of just wild. So we're not gonna get into that right now, but this is what I needed. This is what I need all the time. This is what I love doing. This is what brings me peace. My friends, my family. Think it's crazy that I just get up and go, or that I can sleep in a tent year round, or I can do all this, or in a car, or do all this. They think it's crazy, and I guess to some people it is, but from their perspective. But to me, like, I feel like this is where I'm supposed to be. When I'm there, like, it's not that I don't love my friends and my family, but my spirit be calling me to come out here to go. I'm uncomfortable there. Even when it looks like I'm having fun, I'm ready to go. Like, it gets stressful. Maybe you're not into this, but I bet you if you got out here for a second, took your shoes off and put your feet in the dirt, in the water, you know, this is where you come from. This is what you're supposed to be born into right here. All that that concrete jungle we live in, you know, cities and stuff like that, like, it's cool to have the convenience of certain things, but this is how it was meant to be. We're supposed to be in nature. We're supposed to be in nature, man. Well, I don't know. I can't speak for everybody. I feel like we do, because this energizes me. When I tell you it brings me peace, it energizes me. I get up early, like today, I complained about it a little bit because I couldn't find Boston's Rock to get that sunrise for you guys. I complained, I got up early, but every day that I'm out here, I get up 4:30, between 4:30 and 5:30 in the morning. I've never slept till 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock out here. Not that I couldn't, it's peaceful, I definitely could, but I want to go. I want to get up and see and do things. Even if it's just doing this, even if it's just chilling, watching this. This is so peaceful. I don't know what the audio quality is like as far as from this river. You hear that river rushing, but it's peaceful. Matter of fact, let's stop talking for a minute and let y'all just enjoy this vibe. a good breakfast. I appreciate y'all. We're gonna figure out where to go from here. Get this day going. Get some more views in there. Talk to you guys soon.